Hello sirs and friends, this is the Integrated Command and Control Center of Rajkot. You can see the view of Integrated Command and Control Center of Rajkot. Now we can visit this place. This is the Integrated Command and Control Center managed by Rajkot Municipal Corporation. This is the joint project of Rajkot Municipal Corporation and Rajkot City Police. This is the Rajkot Highway project managed by the Rajkot Municipal Corporation as well as the Rajkot City Police. And the first function is, you can see the LED board and the public Wi-Fi. RMCE has already installed the few LED boards and the public Wi-Fi points into the public area. So this has the dashboard. You can see the different types of LED and the public Wi-Fi is running. These are the reports to be shown onto the another screen. Now move to the another thing. This is the water SCADA and the drainage SCADA. The water SCADA is basically deal with the chlorine depreciation, excess chlorine and the dam level. And the drainage SCADA is the basic function is pump flow rate as well as the drainage deviation. So you can see the some of the alarms has been generated for the drainage as well as water. Now move to the another function, is the environment. In environment, there were the different locations where the different sensor has been installed, and basically the sensor is providing the carbon oxide, carbon dioxide, temperature, humidity, light, particle 2.5, particle 10, air quality index, UV index and the noise index. These are the some of the reports. This type of reports has been generated from the system. And the Rajkot Corporation has the total 954 cameras. This was including the RLBD, ANPR, 360 degree, PTZ and the fixed camera. Now move to the another function. This was the ANCD and SWM. ANCD is basically deal with the animal nuisance control. They are taking the picture from the different roads and they are sending to the groups for the action. And the solid waste managements are taking the screenshot of the each and every main road for the purpose of cleanliness of the city. Vigilance department is very critical activity. We can see the some of the few peaks. These are the cameras which was installed into the internal part of the Rajkot Municipal Corporation, different ward offices and different offices, and the different important cameras to be vigilant by the vigilant person. Now move to the another department. This was the estate encroachment removal department. They are finding the different types of encroachment on the important roads and they are sharing via the screenshot into the groups. And based on that, the action has been taken from the concerned teams. You can see the dashboard as well as the different types of activity carried out by the estate department.